everyone, welcome back to Car Update 2025. Today we've got something truly special for all you automotive history buffs and future-forward fans alike. A modern reinterpretation of a true icon, the Ford Model T Police Patrol. Now, when you hear Model T, your mind probably jumps to the original game changer from the early 1900s. But Ford has taken that legacy and reimagined it for the 21st century. This isn't just a throwback, it's a fusion of heritage and innovation. The 2025 Ford Model T Police Patrol is not only paying homage to the past, but also serving as a functional, high-tech patrol vehicle ready to meet today's urban demands. Let's start with the design. From a distance, the silhouette definitely gives off those classic vibes, the upright stance, exposed wheels, and that unmistakable vintage front grille. But come closer and it's clear this is no museum piece. LED headlights with a retro, twist carbon fiber detailing and lightweight armored panels bring it fully into the future. It's rugged, responsive, and surprisingly sleek for a vehicle based on a century-old platform. Under the hood, or should we say under the shell, the 2025 Model T Patrol is all electric. It comes with Ford's latest EV drive system, offering a 300-mile range on a full charge and dual-motor all-wheel drive. That means it's not just eco-friendly, it's also fast. 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Yeah, this Model T can definitely keep up with modern-day pursuits. Inside, things get even more interesting. The cockpit has been designed with police efficiency in mind. A 12-inch digital command center sits front and center, integrating real-time navigation, AI-assisted suspect profiling, and drone support capabilities. Yes, you heard right. It launches a compact surveillance drone right from the trunk. Talk about futuristic law enforcement. The seating's been completely reworked for comfort and durability. Vegan leather with reinforced stitching, bullet-resistant. Windows and AI-controlled climate zones mean officers can stay comfortable and protected, no matter the mission. Plus, the integrated facial recognition and license plate scanning systems make patrol duties more streamlined and secure. And Ford didn't forget about community engagement either. The onboard speaker system can project announcements during emergencies, and the LED roof lights are capable of dynamic color changes for public events and parades. It's part patrol unit, part PR ambassador. So is this just a novelty? Not even close. Ford's actually planning to roll these out in select US cities as part of a pilot program. If successful, we might just see more historic models getting futuristic upgrades like this. That's it for today's ride into the past and the future. If you like this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly updates, and let us know in the comments. Would you want your city's police department to roll up in one of these? Catch you in the next video on Car Update 2025. Stay curious and keep those engines running.